Welcome back, my dear students. So, on this lecture, what we're going to be doing is we are going to be installing a tool that we are going to be using in this course to test our APIs. Just because we are going to be dealing with Mongoose in the next lectures, we are going to be using this tool. Now, we could have used this tool before with MongoDB module, with the MongoDB module uh, or the functionalities that we use in the last lectures. But I decided not to do that because I wanted to show you a couple different ways of testing your application. And on the last lecture, we took advantage of our database connection, right? When our server was connected, we took advantage of that hook there, and I showed you the CRUD. But the right way of doing this would be to actually getting a tool like PostMan, and we are going to be downloading that in a minute. Let me see if I can get a browser going here somewhere. So here's the website, getpostman.com. Go to that URL. Hopefully they don't change that in the future, but download the specific installer for your system. I have a Mac, so I would click here. Once that downloads, then you go ahead and install it, just like any program in your computer. It's simple. Just follow the prompts and install it. I'm not going to do that because you guys either should have this tool by now or should know how to install a program, right? So go ahead and download it, install it, and it's going to look like something like this. Now, back in the day, Postman was a plugin for the browser Chrome. So we will have to install it via the browser, right? We'll have to go to Chrome applications or their repository for application, download the plugin and use it in the browser. But nowadays, it's a standalone tool that you download to your computer, which I'm really glad it is. It's simpler to use. And now here, what you do is, and I'm not going to show you how to use it on this lecture. I just want to describe it to you. So this tool allows us to make those API calls. As you can see here, we can do the get, post, put, patch, and delete. We have the whole features here for a REST API, right? Now, here you can make it to whatever URL you want, and then you just click send, and that will send it to your application on whatever port you want to use, okay? In this case, we're using the port 3000, so that is your application should be listening to that port. So it's gonna send a get request there. We can send a post request, okay, to create a new post, and we will go ahead and create some type of body or something, okay, and send it. Very simple to use, guys. Very simple. Then you can also create environments here. We have no environment here, but we have a couple here. Okay, so we have a contact environment. There's a couple environments, and each environment is going to have either whatever feature you want to include there. If you want to include some post requests, some gets, delete requests, patch, put, whatever. So you can create different environments for your application. If your application was let's say, called a CMS application, right? You create an environment called CMS, and then inside that environment, you create whatever API calls you want to create, okay? Very simple to use. We're going to be using this not just because we need it for Mongoose, just because it's the right thing to do when you're testing your applications, your APIs, right? So anyway, I want to thank you for watching this lecture, guys, and I want to thank you for being in the course. I want to thank you for those of you that have already given me a 5 review. I love reviews, and I will, of course, love them when they're 5 stars. But if I'm not 5 stars by now, let me know how can I fix the course, and I will try to do it. Okay. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next lecture, guys.